Did you know that you can grow your channel fast if you leverage a trending topic on YouTube? If you're one of the first ones to jump on a hot trend, your video can easily rank on the first page of YouTube, resulting in a ton of traffic. In this video, you'll learn about the benefits of finding trending topics on YouTube, what determines if a video is trending, trending signals to look for, and 7 online tools to quickly discover hot new trends on YouTube. Make sure you stay to the end of the video where I share a case study of how I generated thousands of views from a hot trend that I found on YouTube. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So what are the benefits of jumping on a trending topic? Number 1, fast rankings. If it's a new trend, you may be the first one creating a new video for that trend. As a result, your video will shoot to the top of the search results and get a lot of traffic. For example, when YouTube came out with the new requirements to monetize your channel, I quickly created a video on how to monetize your channel without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, it got a ton of views and subscribers in a very short time. Number 2, possibility of your video going viral. It's very difficult or almost impossible for a video to go viral, but if you jump on a hot trend, then you can get a mini viral campaign going. Number 3, no need to get high watch time or high audience retention. If you create a video on a regular topic and it gets a high retention rate, it often takes weeks or months to rank in YouTube and Google. On the other hand, if you jump on a hot trend, you can get a ton of traffic in a short time without worrying about audience retention or high watch time. Number 4, an evergreen trend is best. Instead of jumping on a trend that'll disappear in a few days or a few weeks, jump on a trend that will last for a long time. If you do this, that video might be the main generator of traffic for your channel. So what determines if a video is trending? According to YouTube, trending aims to surface videos that are appealing to a wide range of viewers, are not misleading, clickbaity, or sensational, capture the breadth of what's happening on YouTube and in the world, ideally are surprising or novel. What are YouTube's trending signals? View count, the rate of growth in views, where views are coming from, including outside of YouTube, the age of the video. We combine these signals to produce a list of videos that showcases what's happening on YouTube and in the world. This means that the video with the highest view count on a given day may not be number 1 on trending, and videos with more views may be shown below videos with fewer views. Even if your video meets all the above criteria, it may not appear on trending, as many other videos may also meet those criteria. The trending system tries to choose videos that will be the most relevant to our viewers and most effective of the broad content on the platform. Here are 7 online tools to find trending topics on YouTube. Number 1, YouTube trending page. If you go to YouTube's homepage at youtube.com and click on trending, you'll see a list of current trending videos. Number 2, Google Trends. I talked about this in my previous video, so just click the link in the card to watch my video on how to use Google Trends to find hot topics on YouTube. Number 3, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free Chrome extension which allows you to easily manage and grow your YouTube channel. Once you install the TubeBuddy extension, you'll see the Facebook icon at the top of your channel homepage. Click on the icon, click on Tag Explorer, enter your main keyword that you want to see trends for. Click Explore. It will give you a summary of the most used tags for the videos of that particular keyword. It'll also show you the top ranking videos in search if there are any videos, and also give you a keyword score. If you click on Trending, these are taken from youtube.com, google.com, and Google Trends. As you can see, these are rising related queries in the last 12 months, and these are breakout, which means they're currently trending. You also have the top related queries in the last 12 months. The TubeBuddy extension also gives you the auto-suggested keywords that come from YouTube and Google. It also shows the historical trends over time. It shows the world map where those trends are occurring, and also the top video results. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Number 4, Morning Fame. This is a keyword research tool that helps you to search and evaluate your target search term. So if I enter Fortnite, it'll give me the potential suggestions for long tail search terms. It'll also give me the ranking opportunity rating for this term. This includes subscribers, views, likes and comments, and relevance. Ideally you want to see green across the top here. If I click on Show on Google Trends, if I enter the search term Fortnite, it'll give me the worldwide results, or I can choose a particular country. I can choose a period like past 12 months or last 30 days. I can choose all categories, or I can select arts and entertainment. Here it shows the interest over the past few months. This shows the trending results for YouTube search, but I can also do web search, image search, news search, and Google Shopping. Here's the interest over region, and I have related topics and related queries. If I go back to Morning Fame, it'll also show me the top video results. I'll place a link to Morning Fame in the description below this video. Number 5, YouTube app. Tap the YouTube app on your phone, then tap trending at the bottom of your screen to see the trending videos on YouTube. Number 6, Google Alerts. Go to google.com/alerts, enter a topic in the box that you want to follow. For instance, I've set up alerts for video marketing and YouTube marketing. You can check how often you want the emails, once a day or once a week. You can select sources, news, blogs, web, video, books, discussions, finance, your language, your region, and how many results you want. And then deliver to is your email address. Here you've got some alert suggestions based on finance, music, movies, politics, sports, technology, TV, health, automobiles, companies, news sections, and programming. If I set the alerts up for YouTube marketing, I'll get the most recent news, the news from 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, etc. It's a great way to keep up with the latest trends in your niche. Number 7, Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a great free online tool that shows the auto-suggested results from Google. Just enter the keyword in the search box, click Get Questions. It gives you a quick visual of all the questions that people may be asking about that particular keyword. If you got the Chrome extension Keywords Everywhere installed, it will even show you the search volume, cost per click, and the competition. It'll show you the prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, as well as related. So you'll never run out of video content ideas for trending topics on YouTube. Let's take a look at my case study video, which received a ton of views in a very short time. Here's a video that I created on January 18, 2018, when YouTube changed the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. For the first month from January 18 to February 18, the watch time was 75,824 minutes, and the number of views was 37,011 views, which is pretty good just for 1 month's time. The average view duration was only 2 minutes, whereas the whole length of the video was 4 minutes 51 seconds. The interesting geography is that most of the viewers came from India, with United States second. The highest traffic sources actually came from browse features and suggested videos rather than search. Let's try 1 week, that's from the 18th to the 25th. Okay, watch time is 3,000 minutes. Views was over 1,200. The average view duration was 2 minutes 24. And the top geographies was United States 35%, India 20%. And the highest traffic sources was YouTube search, then browse features. Let's do the first 90 days. January 18th to April 17th. Watch time 262,673 minutes. Number of views 126,742 views. Average view duration still 2 minutes. And top geography, India 40%, United States 18%. Highest traffic sources, browse features, then suggested videos. So as you can see, it's definitely worth jumping on a hot trend. The interesting thing is that even after 8 months, it's still the top watched video on my channel. It still brings in the most subscribers. Here are 4 important things to keep in mind regarding trending topics on YouTube. Number 1, don't expect your trending video topic to go viral. The chances of your video going viral are very slim. Instead, be happy that your trending video gets twice the number of views or more than one of your regular videos. Number 2, avoid misleading, clickbaity, or sensational thumbnails or titles. If your thumbnails and titles are not relevant to your video content, your video might get taken down by YouTube. Therefore, make sure that your titles and thumbnails are completely relevant to your video content. Number 3, look for evergreen trends. When I jumped on the YouTube Partner Program trend, I knew the trend would last a long time because the new rules have become permanent. I also experienced a large increase in views to my channel when I jumped on the YouTube hashtags trend. Click the link in the card to learn how to use YouTube hashtags to get more views to your channel. Now you know how to capitalize on hot new trends on YouTube so you can get more views. Let me ask you an important question. What video topic on your channel received the greatest number of views? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to know how to identify what you should improve about your channel or videos, Download my free channel evaluation worksheet below, and make sure you also subscribe and check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.